Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2009 Honda CR-V EX. Now the most notable features on this EX is its AM/FM CD player. You also have your steering wheel audio control and your power moonroof. Now I'm going to go through a couple more of the exterior and interior features just so you have a much better idea of what's available on this 2009 Honda CR-V EX. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this CR-V EX is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side here, you're going to see your 17-inch wheels. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is Glacier Blue. And to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your black cloth interior seat surfaces, and if we take a look now just over on your left-hand side, you are going to see your mirror controls, and then on the inside of the driver's side door here, you're going to see your window locks, power locks, window controls, both your front and rear windows. Now, a couple of the controls that you'll see here just on the steering wheel include your volume control, mode select, channel. You'll also have your cruise control settings. And then taking a look there, I'm just going to close in on the exact odometer reading just so I can give you a much better idea of what it's currently sitting at. Now you can also see that there is an exterior temperature gauge on there as well. And taking a look at your center dash as well as your touch panel, or display I should say, you're going to see a couple of different options which include your hazard lights, and then you also have your digital clock, AM/FM CD player. And looking down below, you're going to see your temperature control settings just located on the side there. And then it's matted to a automatic transmission. You'll also find that you do have that dual storage space just located on your passenger side there. And if we take a look at the very top here, you are going to see your sunglass case holder with an additional mirror on the inside here just so you can keep an eye on the kids just while you're driving. You'll also find your power moonroof controls as well as your light controls on here as well. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, located just down below, you are going to find your rear hatch release. And I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now, as you can see, you do have that foldable rear seat in the back there, so if you do need the additional space, it's available to you. But if we take a look just down below here, you are going to find your spare tires as well as your jack and your toolkit. So if you do find yourself in a bit of a pinch, you know exactly where it's located. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions on this 2009 Honda CR-V EX, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at cFpTkq to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.